and welcome back. Listen guys, I hope you all had a fantastic week and then really enjoying your weekend. Now listen, I'm going to pick another challenge lock. Now this lock is it's like a themed challenge lock, pinned up by Tobias and Julian, T&J Lockpicking Nord over in Germany, and it's the pistol stroke. It's the pistol stroke, a 2.3 litre, absolutely fantastic. Lock works absolutely brilliantly, as you would expect. And now this lock was sent to me by Leon's Lockpad. Leon, thanks ever so much for this lock. I've been looking forward to picking this ever since you sent it over to me. Now listen, let's get this viced up and see what it takes to get in. Let's see if we can get it in the vice first. There we go. Okay, that's good. Okay. As you can see, the lock works absolutely brilliantly. All locked up. Look at the key ring on it as well. Key ring's really awesome, yeah. Kind of gives you an indication of what's inside. Obviously, you've probably all seen it on Leon's Lockpad channel anyway. But it's now listen, it's I'm just looking forward to trying to get into it. Okay, so we've got a like a little deforest diamond and a 50,000 Sparrows pry bar. Okay, so let's start at the front. Pin 1. Pin 1's binding and a little click off of pin 1. Okay, pin 2. A little click out of pin 2. Click out of 3. Click out of 4. 2 clicks out of 4. Nothing on 5. Okay, a little bit of overset there. Release the tension off and get back into it. Okay, we'll click out of 3. A little bit of movement off the core off of 4. 5's binding now. A little click out of 5. Going back through, a little more movement off of 4. 2. Gently, and a little bit of movement on the core. Nothing off a 3. 4, a little click out of 4. And click out of 5, another click out of 5. Another click out of 5. Nothing off of 1, 2, 3. 4 is bound. Another click out of 4, another click out of 5. Okay, nothing off of 1. 2, click out of 2, and a little bit more movement on the core. Nothing else. Nothing off of 1, 2. 3, 4, 5, 1. Got a little bit of counter off of 2. A little bit more movement on the core. Another little click out of 5. Okay, there we go, and then 2, 3, 4, 5. Got a little bit more movement on the core for 5. Nothing off of 1, 2, 3, 4. That 4 is okay. And a little click out of 5. Is there any more 5? Nope. Okay, back to 4, 2. 3. And there we go, we're open off a 3. Superb. Okay, let's see the goodness with inside. Okay, let's get the vice out of the way. Let's get you down there. Get the pinning tray over. Okay, so we are open, as you can see. Let's just zoom out a bit there. Zoom out. There we go. Okay, let's see if we can get this clip off. Okay, tweezers, follower, and clip remover. Okay. Okay, and we're going to get this bad boy off. That's good. Nice and straightforward. That's what we like. Okay, pins are towards me. Okay. Oh, look, I'm shaking. I'm getting all excited here. It's, I'm dying to see these pins inside. Okay. There we go, we're in. Okay. There we go, pins are towards me. Follow her in. And there we go. Okay, just put that down there for a second. And let's get this. Okay. Okay, there we go. Zoom in a bit there. Okay, the core. Okay, so let's just dump the pins first. One. We'll have a look at these afterwards. Two. Pin keeping. Three, 4, and 5. Okay, so the core. We've got nothing off 1, counter milling of 2, light serrations on 3, serrations on 4, and it's just really light serrations on 5 as well. Okay, let's get these pins turned around the right way. We've got a really nice deep spool on 1. We've got a pin in pin keeping on 2. We'll just break that apart so we can see that later on. Like a spool on 3. A deeper spool on 4. And like a sharp spool with a serration on keeping 5. Wonderful, wonderful work. Okay, now the magic. Okay. Okay, so here we go. Unbelievable, look at that. It's just like a piston with a nice serration on top where the gas ring would be, where the oil ring would be. So that's in 1. And another one in 2. And another one in 3. We'll have another look at these in a little while once I get them all in. 3. Another one in 4. And another one in 5. Okay, the springs. We'll go back through and just take them through one at a time. Okay, so 1. Okay, we're going to need a little pick to take them out. Okay, we've got a copper spring in 1, which wants to jump out. Another one doesn't want to come out in 2. There we go. 3. Another one in 4. I'm guessing this is the same, aren't they? And there we go, 5. And a slightly bigger one in 5. Okay, let's get you situated a bit better here so we can have a look at this awesome work in these. Okay, so running back through and keeping one. Just look at the work in that. That is absolutely phenomenal. It actually really does look like a piston. And then 2. I must have taken absolutely ages to make each one. I think these themed locks, I think they're just absolutely magnificent. And this, look, even the little serrations on the bottom part of that as well. And each and every one is just absolutely perfect. Unbelievable. Oops. Absolute works of art. It truly is. Absolutely fantastic lock. And just going quickly over the key pins again. Got a deep spool in there. And this pin in pin. Pin and pin key pin. I've tried to make a pin and pin key pin and failed miserably. So I know there's an awful lot of work goes into them. Absolutely beautiful. Put that back together in a minute. And then a nice sort of spoolie key pin in 3, a spoolie key pin in 4, and a deeper spool in 5. Well, what an absolutely fantastic lock. Must have taken hours and hours to make. The key there, you can see the key there as well. Tobias and Julian, an absolute work of art, a pleasure to pick. Leon, thank you ever so much for giving me the opportunity to pick it. It's absolutely been incredible. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Amazing lock. And you know, you guys, you've got to check out both their channels. I'm sure you already have, but if you haven't, Tobias and Julian Lockpicking Nord and Leon's Lockpad. You just got to get yourself over there. Listen, thanks ever so much. I can waffle on all day about this because it's just such an awesome lock, but got to let you get on with your day, and I'll see you on the next one. Listen, take care now. Bye. Absolute work of art.